Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about something very important to our planet and our everyday lives, natural resources. These are materials we get from nature and they help us live, grow food, build homes and power our life. Let's explore what they are, why they matter and how we can protect them. So natural resources are materials that come from the earth like water, air, and soil. We use them every single day. When we drink water, use electricity, or eat food. These resources are important because they support life and help countries grow and develop economically. Without them, modern life would not be possible. The types of natural resources. Abiotic. Abiotic resources are non-living things from nature. Let's look at a few. First one is water. We need it for drinking, farming, and running factories. Imagine a life without water. Second one is minerals. These come from rocks and are used to make metal for cars, phones, and buildings. Third one is land. It supports farming and where we build our cities, but urbanization can harm the environment. Fourth one is air. It's what we breathe. Polluting the air can make people and animals sick and harm nature. These resources may not be alive, but they are absolutely essential. Moving towards biotic resources. Biotic resources come from living things. Let's look at four key examples. The first one is forest. Forests give us oxygen and wood, and they are home to many species. But deforestation is destroying them. Second is wildlife. Animals are an important part of nature. When they lose their homes, they can become endangered. Third one is fisheries. Fish provide food, but too much fishing can harm the ocean's balance. The fourth one is agriculture. In agriculture, growing crops feeds the world. Good soil care and crop rotation help protect the land for the future. Moving towards the renewable resources. Renewable resources can be used again and again because nature keeps replenishing them. Examples include solar energy. Sunlight is turned into electricity using solar panels. It cleans but only works well when it's sunny. Wind energy. Wind turbines spin to create power. It's best in places with strong winds. Third one is hydropower. Dams use flowing water to generate electricity, but they can affect rivers and wildlife. Fourth one is geothermal energy. Geothermal energy comes from the Earth's heat, especially in volcanic areas. It's a steady and clean source of energy. Moving towards non-renewable energy. These sources take millions of years to form and can't be replaced once they are used up. This includes fossil fuels. In that, coal, oil, and gas power most of the world today, but they pollute and will eventually run out. Second one is nuclear energy. Made using uranium, it gives a lot of energy but needs careful handling to be safe. Third one is minerals. In minerals, once mined and used, they can't be naturally replaced quickly, and mining often harms the environment. Moving towards resource depletion causes and consequences. So, using too many resources too quickly causes resource depletion. Here's why it happens. First one is overconsumption. In that, people use more than they need and wasting the resources. One is population growth. More people means more demand for water, food, and energy. Third one is pollution. Harmful waste ruins air, land, and water. Then fourth one, deforestation. Cutting down too many trees destroys animal homes and adds to climate change. These actions can make life harder for future generations. So, conservations of natural resources reduce, reuse, and recycle. To protect our resources, we can follow the three R's. Like first one is reduce. In that, use less and don't waste. Reuse. use things again instead of throwing them away. Then recycle it, turn used items into new products. Even small changes in our daily habits can help the planet. For that, the conservation strategies are there, which is sustainable practices. Sustainability means using resources without harming the earth. Here are some smart ways to do that. First one is sustainable agriculture. In that, crop rotation and organic farming keep soil healthy. The second one is energy efficiency. Using LED bulbs or energy saving appliances saves more electricity. Third one is reforestation. In reforestation, planting trees helps restore the environment and absorb carbon dioxide. The fourth one is water conservation. Collecting rainwater or using drip irrigation saves the clean water. Moving towards government and individual roles in conservation. Both leaders and regular people must work together. First one is government policies. In that, laws can protect nature and encourage green energy. Second one is individual actions, where you can help by choosing eco-friendly products and recycling at home. Third one is community involvement. Joining cleanup drives or eco clubs can make a big difference. In case studies, there are many successful examples worldwide where people have protected natural resources. Moving towards the future of natural resources. As we look ahead, we face big challenges like climate change and not having enough resources. But there are also solutions like using new technologies and setting sustainability goals. Like call to action. You, as students, can become leaders in protecting nature. Learn more, share your knowledge, and take small steps every day. In summary, our planet gives us amazing resources. If we understand and care for them, we can build a better future for everyone. Thank you.